30 tips for the PSLE Oral in 30 days. I'm Coach Hakim. Follow along these 30 days to completely transform your marks for the PSLE Oral. Let's go. Welcome to day number 7. How else can you elaborate? So if you haven't seen it already, take a look at day number 6, the essentials of elaborating. Now, how else can you elaborate? Anyone can talk about facts and information, but one unique way of elaborating is asking yourself, how do you feel? I'll give you an example. Let's say the teacher asks, what is your favorite country to travel to? And I've already said, Australia, because my family visited an aunt who lives there, I can also add, visiting Australia with my family made me really happy as it was one of the only countries we visited together other than Malaysia, and we made some great memories on those trips. This way, how do I feel has helped me stretch the elaboration. That's day number 7. Follow me on any of your favorite social media platforms to learn more. I'll see you at my next masterclass. Can't wait to hear about your A for Oral.